Distance learning curricula in cloud computing, object storage, content prepared by Frane Urem. Good afternoon and welcome to the cloud computing course. This course was developed as a result of the Erasmus Plus project Code In. All you need for learning is internet access and a computer. The course contains a total of 10 topics, and in this topic, we will say something more about the object storage. What is object storage? Well, it's an internet-scale, high-performance storage platform where the data is managed as objects irrespective of the kind of data you store. Therefore, it is ideal for unstructured data like your logs, videos, pictures, and text files. In addition, it is a regional and public service. Objects are stored in a bucket with a unique name within the tendency. The important thing to remember is that there is a flat hierarchy, and anytime you see a folder structure simulated by the object storage service, using something called prefixes. So remember, all the objects used to just go in a flat hierarchy within the service. Object storage is for the web and will be used for photos, videos, log files, text files, and any files you store on the web. Typically, the way it is accessed is you have an internet client who accesses these objects using simple and familiar HTTP verbs like put and get. Put meaning you create an object and get means you download an object. These are the primary storage services that exist within the cloud. So, let us look at some of the tiers. The first tier is object storage. It's called the standard tier. It's also referred to as the hot tier, where you keep all the critical data you want to retrieve instantaneously. The retrieval is fast and it is also strongly consistent. So anytime you want to update the data, you will be able to get the most recent copy of that data. There is a second tier which is called cold, and it is used for infrequent access. It means you have a copy of long-term critical data that you do not need immediately. So think about storing backups that you would infrequently access in this tier. The stored data is very secure because it is stored in a minimum of 3 physical locations within one AD. Data encryption is essential because you are storing sensitive data in the cloud. You want it to be safe, and data encryption is available by default. You cannot turn this off or bring your keys for very stringent requirements. You access all this data using a simple API call. You just call familiar HTTP verbs and you can access this data. To complete this unit, study and review the following online resources. Thank you for your attention.